What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be working on part 3 of our prison game. In this episode we are going to be creating the weapons such as handcuffs and guns. Because I don't have all that much time, I'm not going to be able to code all the guns, so we're going to get Roblox has modeled and scripted a few guns that you guys can use, or you guys can make your own guns. It's up to you. But since I'm short on time today, I am just going to use the guns that Roblox has already made. But starting off, we are going to be coding the handcuff system. So first, get some handcuffs. Get a model. Alright, once you have them, you can insert a weld, but if it already has a weld script, then that's good. Delete the excess scripts from inside of it, and then, just to test and make sure it doesn't all fall apart and the weld script is working, put it inside of starter pack. That way you can at least test it before you code it, then realize it's all going to just fall apart. Alright. So as you can see, the handcuffs, I can't tell. Let me just do this real quick. Go into. Okay, well, I couldn't see. So, let me actually take this, put it inside of my character. Where the heck are they? Alright. Well, if you guys don't have this plugin, that's fine. You don't need to do it. But for me, I want to edit the grip of my tool. I'm going to change my moving studs to 0. And just a little bit more back. And I'm going to rotate that way. The handcuffs can be held like that. Alright. Then close the editor. Alright. Now it's back in here. And I'm going to test the grip of the tool one more time. Alright, and I like the way that he's gripping that tool. So let's get into it and start coding this script. So, first, let's insert a regular script into the tool, along with a local script and a remote event. And we can name this arrest. So first I'm going to start off in my local script. So first I'm going to get the mouse. Alright. Activated. Connect function. Alright, so now we need to get what the mouse is currently on. So local mouse target equals mouse dot target. Then let's have it print mouse target dot name, then go if mouse target, then another if statement, if mouse target dot parent find first child humanoid. Alright. Or parent dot parent. Then alright, so in this statement what we're doing is we are saying if whatever the player's mouse is on, its parent if it has a humanoid inside, or if the humanoid is 2 parents above whatever the mouse target is, then it'll run this function. Because the way you can tell if it's a player is by seeing if it has a humanoid inside. So what we're doing is checking inside of whatever the player's mouse is on to see if there's a humanoid. That way we know if they're clicking on another player. So then inside of this, I'm going to go local I'll just go equals mouse target dot parent. Alright. Then we're gonna go script dot parent dot arrest fire server, and we're going to give it the character. Now we're gonna head into the regular script, and then we're going to receive this. Or actually first we're going to add in a local value. That way we can check if they're on the right team. Get service teams. Alright, now script dot parent dot arrest on connect function. Alright, and here we can get the player and the you can get the player and the character. And then we're going to get the player, local player equals player, and then if player dot team or actually game dot players dot team game dot players find first child character dot name dot team equals team dot prisoner, or in my case prisoners. And then let's copy this, or then paste it and change this to criminal. I think that's what we have now. criminals. Alright. And then add in the then. And then get local Anna equals equals character character dot humanoid, and then local play equals Anna load animation script find first child of class animation, and then let's insert animation. And then next, what you need to do is create an animation, which I've already done. Then paste that ID inside of this. Next, go down, and we're going to make the player not be able to walk or jump while they're in this stage. So let's go dot humanoid dot walk speed equals 0, not humanoid dot jump power equals 0. Now let's add a wait 10 seconds. Then we are going to, oh, I forgot something. Go back up here under the local function that says play and type in play dot dot play. Alright. Then after the wait 10 seconds, type in play dot dot stop. Then go character dot humanoid root part dot c frame equals, then what you guys can do is from last video when we made the TP folder, add in another spawn or teleport point and name it arrest. Right here, name it arrest. And then I placed mine in this cell here. You guys can place yours anywhere. Then go cframe equals game dot workspace dot tp dot arrest dot cframe. Alright. Then go character actually let's just copy these two that we already wrote. Alright, then change the walk speed to 16, the jump power to 50, and then test it out. So let's play with teams of 2, or 2 player. the other half of the screen. Just like that. Alright. So then let's join prisoners on both. And then I'm going to take the handcuffs out and tap the player. Alright, so nothing happened. So I'm guessing there was an error. Let's go onto the server and look at it. Index nil with team. Alright, so game.players.find child character dot name team. Alright. Let's try this. Let's go back into the script. And go player dot team. Alright, then let's put this up here too. Alright, now let's try it again. Alright, now they're loaded in. We'll go to prisoner on both teams again, on both accounts. Now let's try to arrest the other player again. Alright. So it's still not working. Let's go back and check in the server. Player is not a valid member of handle accessory. Alright. I think I see what the problem is. What are we sending over? Handles. Alright, so go back into the local script, and you see how we put this or? Copy the second option, and then delete it. And then hit enter. See in this little area where it goes, if mouse target dot parent dot find first child humanoid, then it has local character mouse dot parent script dot parent dot arrest equals fire server character. Enter, then tell else, then enter if, then paste that, and then copy these two lines that are inside of if mouse target dot parent dot find first child humanoid, copy that and paste it under mouse target dot parent. Except this time, do this. Where it says character, change this to done, and then you can change this right here to done as well, and change this from mouse target dot parent to mouse target dot parent dot parent. And then we can try it again. Alright, and once they load up, go into the prisoners team, and then I'm going to test it again. Still not working, so go into here, and it's still saying that. So this would normally work if it wasn't a if it was actual players, but they're fake. So to fix this, what we're gonna need to do is inside of this script, for player, where we go, where did we put down? Yeah, we say we're going to go player equals game dot players find first child character dot name, and then player dot team goes prisoners, and that should work. Alright, and once they load in, I'm gonna go into the prisoners team again, and then try to arrest the play. Oh, so now it worked, and it's playing the arrest animation. as you can see, just wait 10 seconds. And nothing happens. So let's go look back into the script. Humanoid. So, humanoid. Oh, alright. This is an easy fix. We just got to take out something, and then it should perfectly work. So as you can see, we have the Annie, which stands for animation.humanoid. When if we go up to the variable that stands for animation, it says character.humanoid, and then we're saying Annie.humanoid. So that's virtually saying character.humanoid.humanoid. So we just got to take out the second humanoid. So Annie.walk speed and jump power, and then do it down here as well. And then it should work. Alright. Prisoners, and then I'm going to test it again. Alright, so the arresting work, just wait 10 seconds. Alright, and it teleported the player over to the cell, as you can see. And then now the player can walk again and move around. So as you can see, the handcuff system is now working, except we still need to add one more function. If you are a criminal and you get arrested, your team should change to prisoner. So let's add that real quick. So after this, we're going to go player.team equals team dot prisoner. Alright, so now it'll change your team. Let's move on to the system for collecting guns and things. So what we're going to do for this is I'm going to create a folder for all the weapons and tools. I'm going to put this folder inside of server script service. Actually, replicated storage folder. And we can name this folder tools. And then, how about we get a gun, a pistol. Alright, free pistol. Alright, let's put it inside of here, and I'll rename it pistol. Alright, now let's head in here where it has the pickup gun system, and open this, and here it is for the pistols. Now I'm going to insert a script, and I'm also going to insert a click detector. Alright, so script.parent.click detector.clicked connect function player. So local player equals dot player. Alright, then let's go game dot replicated storage dot what's it called? It's called tools dot pistol clone. Alright, now let's make this a local function. Local clone equals then this. So then let's make clone dot parent equal player dot backpack. Alright, now let's test this out. Alright, let's go up here. Player is not available. Oh, so it automatically brings you. Alright, so we don't need this. We don't need this local player event, and we just need to copy this PLR and paste it where it said player. And then now it should work. Alright, so as you can see, it worked, and it gave us the gun. So now let's code this for the other items. So next, let's get a, what's that, a Remington 80? Let's just get a shotgun. Different colors. I think this is the same color. Nope. Alright. Yeah, I'll just use this shotgun. In here, and name it shotgun. Alright, then go back in here, find the AK-47, I think. Wait, is it an AK-47? No, it's not. Let's find the Remington 80. And then insert a script and a click detector. So, look at the script, copy the code from the last script, paste it in, and then change the name from pistol to shotgun. Alright, shotgun. Let's look. Shotgun, alright. Doesn't have a capital G. Alright, so as you can see, I got it, and it works. Alright. And we can also get the pistol. Next, we are going to be coding it so that you can't get more than one. Let's open the script up. If not player dot backpack dot first child pistol, then add an end down here and run this. Alright, now let's grab a pistol, and it gave it to me. If I try and grab another one, it doesn't work because it sees that I already have a pistol. Now let's code that for the shotgun as well. if not, player dot backpack find first child, shotgun, then end. Alright, now let's test this. Alright, so it lets me get one shotgun, and if I try and get any more, it will not let me. One pistol anymore, won't let me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and come back for part 4.